now for another instalment of our road trip around the Malaysian peninsula. Sup guys? That doesn't sound right, does it? I should have a baseball cap on back to front to say something like that. Then I would be a real YouTuber. Well, as you can see, today we're in this place. We're up the road from Kuala Terengganu, and as you can see, it's sunny. It's really baking hot, and there's an awful lot of beach. Hold on, we can't show that. Far too silly. Right, don't forget to come back for day 5 because we're off to the capital of Terengganu to seek out history, some culture, and we'll probably go to a market and do a little bit of shopping. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can see what happens next at facebook.com/Lawrence and Helen.